grande cafe latte, hot. But the day before that, I actually went and got a caramel macchiato grande. Now, that one is a lot sweeter. Of course, that one has a lot more calories, of course, but it is so good, right? They put the caramel at the very bottom of the cup. So as you're drinking it, and I got it cold. I didn't do the hot coffee on that. You do have the option to do either hot or cold. So I did the cold. And when I tell y'all, the straw, when you suck out of the straw, it grabs that caramel at the very bottom of the cup. Whew, that's all I can tell you. It is delicious. So I'm gonna be good today. I have the Starbucks mobile app on my phone, and each time you go, you accumulate points for each purchase. But I don't know, how does that work out? I've never redeemed my points. Like, do you lose them or what? Because I go every time. They scan on my phone, and they just accumulate. But then every now and then I'll check it, and the number is lower than it was the last time. So I'm like, I don't know. I'm not getting them redeemed, I can tell you that. But I'll ask. Matter of fact, once we get there, y'all coming with me. Once we get there, I'll ask, how does it work? That way, if you don't know, you'll find out too, just like I will. Okay, y'all, we here. We here, y'all. Okay. Yes, hi. Can I get a grande cafe latte? Hot, please. That'll be all. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna, I have the mobile app on my phone, Starbucks app, and I have 150 points on here, so we're gonna see how it works. They're gonna scan it first. Okay, I have the scan. Do you scan it first? How does it work exactly? I've never redeemed the points before. How does it work?
So,
Sure. You gotta let us know. It'll be interesting.
every time you order on the app or you scan with the app, from every order it gives you a certain amount of stars. And I mean, if you don't use them, eventually they'll expire. Once you like get 25, you can add shot syrup or sauce or alternate milk. 50 is a free food item. 150 is a free drink. 200 is a protein box salad or lunch sandwich.
Okay.
And then 400 is like a cup or something that's under $20.
Okay. So the 150 that I have now, so I can use it next time?
Wait, did you want me to use it for the drink or no?
Oh, I can?
Yeah, you can use it for the drink and then you won't have to pay for it. Did you want to do it?
Oh, sure. Sure.
So, I use it
Oh.
for the drink and it's now for free.
Oh, wow. That's how it works. Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, just let us know when you have the stars and before you pay for it, and then we can just scan it and give it to you.
Perfect, perfect. All right, thank you.
You have a great one.
You as well. Oh, cool. I got it for free, y'all. I had enough points. So I hope y'all heard that. As the points accumulate, the more things you can get. So you have to have 150 points in order to get a free drink. So I had 150. So my cafe latte is free. Don't y'all like that? I know I do. That's cool. Because I always wondered, I think I've been scanning, they've been scanning that thing, I don't know how long. Cool. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all back at the house. I'm gonna get started on my drink. Made it back home, get ready to do the kitchen, clean up the kitchen a little bit. And yeah, There's so much stuff in here.